Gary, we don't have time to be doing arts and crafts right now making the Lexus logo out of hand sanitizer. We gotta tell our customers about the tire sale that's going on right now.
Let's do it. So you're telling me our customers get $100 off 4 tires and $50 off 2 tires in the month of October?
You betcha, Gary.
And they get 2 year road hazard that comes along with that?
Yeah, absolutely.
That's a lot of noise back there. And we'll have Lexus certified technicians working on my Lexus?
We wouldn't have it any other way.
So you're telling me that the road hazard covers items like nails?
Yep.
A key?
Sure.
Come on, a bolt?
Absolutely.
How about various office supplies?
I suppose.
Car parts?
How did that get there?
This is all covered, huh?
Yes.
Wow.
That's right, $100 off of a set of 4 tires or $50 off of a set of 2 tires. Now until the end of October, and 2 years of road hazard protection on those brand new tires at any participating Lexus dealership.